Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make the copy your exist SSD driver without any external device to another new one. I was buy this new NVMe SSD driver for changing my old one. I have only one slot. You can see it. It is old mainboard. I don't have any extension slots in here. Today I'm gonna show you how to change this SSD without any format process. Let's start it. Firstly, I'm gonna show you my setups to you. I have the Windows driver in here. You can see my free space is very low. I have a problem with this, and I have second drive. It is different drivers. It is different devices, and I have free space in here. My plan is copy this disk in the here and create the new partition in here and bootable partition and make the backup to my new NVMe SSD driver. Let's start it. Firstly, you need to click this computer and click the management and the disk management in here and shrink this driver, this one, shrink in here. Sorry for the language, it is Turkish, but no problem, you can follow my clicks. And it's determinant the space of shrink. Let's wait the second, and we need around 4 GB, less than 4 GB space, like this. And we click the shrink, and it will be created a new partition in here, and we click new and next and next and delete here. This one important, you need to click this one and next and finish, and it's here, new driver. Now it is not bootable because we need to make some changes, and I show you you need this application. You can Google it and download in here. Maybe in here is good solution. You can click download in here. I was downloaded in here, and I'm open it, and it's mounted in my device. Select all, copy and paste in your new driver, and it's done. Now I'm restart my computer, and I'm showing you the continuous partition. Let's do it. So now I'm restart my PC and press the delete and or F2 key for login the BIOS screen. Let's do it. I'm clicking inside here. Okay, it's open. Now I'm in the BIOS screen. You can see the booting devices. It's my Windows main devices, I plan to backup this and change this. And this one is my second partition and copied pasted partition. You can see it's come here, and I'm click the both menu function, and I'm choosing to this one and starting the F loader, and I click the one and waiting the starting, and it is starting and waiting. Okay, the application is open in here, and I'm click the backup, and I'm click the this backup. It's already choosing through my first driver. It's okay, and next, and I'm click the create new backup archive, and the backup location I'm choosing to the I need to make sure this driver is true. Yes, my backup driver is here, and write in the name I'm lazy person. I'm click here. It's do it for me. Okay, and I'm click the OK with the it's have little problem. I'm right here, delete here. Okay, it's work. I'm delete the characters in here. It's work. It's okay, and next, and check this configuration. It's okay, proceed, and I'm waiting. It's maybe take like 10 or 20 minutes. It depends your SSD speed and the space, and I'm pausing this video, and I will continue when it's finished, and we will talk again. Thank you. Now backup operation is success, and check the logs. I'm not seeing any error, any problem, and I'm going to again check in here. I see the size like a 75 gigabytes total. Yes, backup is done. Now I am take off my old NVMe SSD and put this new SSD in my case here. Let's do it. Also, I am set this. Firstly, need to log off this application and close the computer. It's done. Hello again. This one is my old SSD, and this one new one. I'm gonna show you which one is good and the technical details I try to show you, but my camera is not focusing. What the hell? Okay, this one king spec, 276 gigabytes, and this one MLD, 1 terabyte. I'm upgrade this one. Now I'm going to put in my this slot, and after I restore my backup, and we will see. And I'm open the computer with new SSD driver and check in the BIOS it is showing here or not. Okay, now I see the MLD driver and my old SSD. It is my internal SSD. It is not changed one. Changed one is here. The king spec on. It is my backup driver. Okay, I'm start with this backup again with the boot menu, and I'm click the UEFI US and start again with the one, and please wait, and it's still opening, and I'm click the recover, click my backup in here and make sure it's showing C right now, not D, it's C. Okay, and next and I'll click wall disk and next, and this one next, and I need to choose the everywhere and next, and I'm click new disk. Okay, disk 2, and I click next and proceed, and I'm waiting it's done. When done, I start Windows and continue in Windows if it's everything is okay. Yeah, okay, restore operation is done. I'm restarting the machine and we will see. Okay. It's loading to Windows, I think. Okay, everything is great with the new disk, and I'm logging. It's loaded, and I test my application is working or not. It's good. Also, I make the small test for SSD speed. Actually, it is GAN 3 interface in here. I'm using this application. Where is this? What the? And the Discord, close. And this one, I'm use this SSD, and I see the. Also, before this test, I'm trash this new disk in here. You can see my disk is full still because I'm not use the full space yet. Firstly, I fix this, and firstly I'm remove the new disk and expand the disk. Okay, still make some things in here. Okay, why I'm not make this disk? What is this? What is this? It's a little problem. I need to fix this, figure out why I'm not expand in here. I need to fix this and continue recording. I see that my device is wrong size. It's because it's copied from my old device. It is normally 1 terabyte, but it's 200 gigabytes. Now we will fix it. Also, I was delete my partition from D. You know, I was copied the disk partition application, and I was deleted in from here, and it is my backup file. After I need to make sure this disk 1 terabyte. I see the empty size, but I'm not getting expanded because I have problem with this expanding. You can see expanding is disabled. Use some application for fix this issue. It is use partition master, and I'm trying to make extend this device and try it. Okay, I think I must make mistake and cancel and go back and click the unallocated resize. Okay, this work, I think. Okay, execute and waiting. After waiting, I see it's done. After waiting, I see this device is 1 terabyte and everything is okay, and I close this windows because our job's done. Now I make some tests with the SSD benchmark application. My old SSD is was very slow, and start it and we see. Also, I have GAN 3 main boards. It's old main boards. It's not GAN 4 or GAN 5. It's reason for my writing and read speed is little slow. Normally it can be like a double, but it's enough for me because I have already used my max bandwidth. Thank you for watching me. I hope I will be helping with you. I hope you will be fix your problem. If you like this video, please don't forget the subscribe for me and like. If you have any question, you can write in the comment. I will make my best. Have a nice day.